I just threw away $300 worth of skincare. And honestly, best decision I ever made for my face. Here's the thing Koreans don't tell you in those fancy ads. The real glass skin secrets aren't in $50 bottles. They've been in Korean kitchens for centuries. I'm talking 500-year-old recipes that cost nothing. I tested 5 viral Korean DIY remedies for 30 days with zero budget. Some worked miracles. One almost ruined my skin. I'm telling you which one to never try. And if you're broke like me but still want celebrity skin, stay until the end because number 3 is the one that got my friends asking if I got expensive facials. Quick reality check before we start. I'm not a dermatologist, just someone who loves free skincare. Patch test everything on your arm first. My skin survived, but yours might be picky about certain ingredients. Let's go. First up, the Korean cucumber mask. You see all these trendy rice videos? Cute. But cucumber has been Korea's skincare hero for decades. When our skin is angry, red, or sunburned, we don't run to Sephora, we run to the fridge. Here's what you need. Half a cucumber and aloe gel. Any kind works. Now here's where everyone messes up. Don't just slap cucumber slices on your face. They slide off and juice gets in your eyes. Trust me, I've cried. Instead, wash half the cucumber. Grate it or slice it super thin. Then put a thin layer of aloe gel on your face first. The cucumber actually sticks. Mind blown, right? Lie down for 10 to 15 minutes. Cucumbers are basically water with vitamins. They hydrate and calm irritation like nothing else. When you're done, remove the slices and continue your regular routine. That's it. Free facial. Number 2 is the rice honey mask. This one went viral on TikTok, but most people are doing it wrong. We're doing it the way Korean women have done it for hundreds of years. Historical records from the Joseon dynasty talk about women using rice to wash their faces and as lotion. These girls were glowing in the 1500s with no filters. Here's what you need. Half a cup of rice, any kind works, water, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Wash the rice 3 times. Cook it with 1 cup of water until it's mushy, like baby food consistency. Then let it cool completely. Hot rice on face? No thank you. Add 2 tablespoons of water and 1 tablespoon of honey. Blend until smooth. What you get is a mask that brightens like crazy and leaves your skin stupid soft. Now here's the part TikTok won't tell you. Leave this on too long and it dries out your skin instead of helping it. 10 to 15 minutes max. Rinse with lukewarm water and moisturize immediately. I cannot stress this enough. Use this once or twice a week. Make just enough for one use. Fresh is always better. Number 3 is the yogurt almond mask. This one made people think I got expensive treatments, and it costs about 50 cents. Here's what you need. Half a cup of plain yogurt. 2 tablespoons of almond powder, or just grind almonds yourself, and 1.5 tablespoons of aloe gel. Yogurt and almonds together are like the Avengers for your skin. Both have natural antibacterial effects, so they fight the bad bacteria that causes breakouts. Plus, gentle exfoliation without that scratchy feeling. Mix everything together. The aloe gel adds extra moisture because we're not trying to dry out our faces. This smells amazing, like a smoothie for your face. Leave it for 15 minutes, rinse off, and prepare to be shocked. Feel that? So soft. If you try only one thing from this video, make it this one. My skin texture improved the most with this mask. Now let's talk toners, because yes, we're making those too, for free. First toner is rice water. You've seen this all over social media, but here's how Koreans actually use it. Here's what you need. Rice, water, and a jar. Wash your rice 3 to 4 times. That 4th time, gently squeeze and move the rice around in the water. Let it sit 30 minutes at room temperature, then strain. That milky water is liquid gold. Now some people ferment it by leaving it out for 24 hours for more nutrients. But I'm gonna be real with you. Fermented rice water smells like feet. Like actual feet. So I stick with fresh stuff stored in the fridge for up to 5 days. Use this after cleansing or put it in a spray bottle. It brightens, tightens, and costs nothing. Last one, and if you have acne-prone skin, this is your new best friend, green tea toner. Here's what you need: 1 green tea bag, hot water, and optional aloe gel. Green tea is packed with antioxidants. It soothes sensitive skin and fights inflammation like a champ. Boil water, pour over the tea bag, and steep for 5 to 10 minutes, not longer. Steeping too long increases acidity, and we're not trying to chemically peel our faces today. Let it cool to lukewarm, then pour into a clean bottle. Add a little aloe if you want extra soothing. Stick it in the fridge for up to 5 days since there are no preservatives. Use it as a toner or mist throughout the day, especially good in summer or when your skin is acting up. Before you run to your kitchen, I promised I'd tell you the one that almost ruined my skin. Everyone's skin is different. What gave me glass skin might give you a reaction. Always patch test on your arm for a few hours before putting anything on your face. If your skin gets irritated immediately, stop using that ingredient. Natural doesn't automatically mean safe for your face. Listen to your skin. So those are the 5 Korean DIY remedies that saved my face and my wallet. Which one are you trying first? Comment below and I'll answer questions personally. Part 2 is coming next week, and I'm revealing the one ingredient Korean women swear by that you've never heard of. It's not rice, it's not cucumber, and it's probably in your kitchen right now. You do not want to miss it. Hit that subscribe button so YouTube actually shows you when it drops. Give this video a like if it helped you. It helps more people find free skincare solutions. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!